This is a problem guide for pension plans and retirement benefits on SOA Exam ALTAM. Why they ask, what they expect, how you identify the plan of attack, the formulas, the tricks, and the intuition. Drill order starts with replacement ratios, then DC contribution rates, accrued exits, service tables, traditional versus projected unit credit, partner overlays, and early retirement. Excel stub 60 is omitted. SA asks this because retirement promises are a different machine from insurance EPVs. First, they want a replacement ratio, benefit over salary. Then they want a contribution rate that hits a target. Then they want an accrued liability and a normal cost, and the fork is whether salary is projected. Partner benefits and early retirement options sit on that same liability, not on a new syllabus topic. They expect you to name the plan type in one line. They expect a salary scale and a service count before any annuity factor. For unit credit, they expect AL and NC, and a sentence that says PUC is larger today because future raises are already in the benefit. TUC normal cost catches up later. Official AL figures live on the question videos. You are here when you see replacement ratio, defined contribution pot, final average salary, career average, traditional unit credit, projected unit credit, normal cost, or early retirement reduction. Questions 39 and 41 are replacement. 38 and 47 solve a DC rate. Then accrued exits, a service table, TUC and PUC, partner overlays, and early retirement. Plan of attack. Name DC, final average, or career average. Project salary. Count service. Form the benefit formula. If they want replacement, divide by the stated salary. If they want a DC rate, solve the pot that buys the leftover replacement. If they want AL and NC, choose TUC or PUC, attach retirement and death decrements from the service table, and discount. Overlay partner or early retirement factors last. Replacement ratio is the annual pension over the stated salary, often final salary. A DC contribution rate solves the accumulation that buys the remaining replacement. Projected unit credit takes the projected benefit at retirement, prorates by service, and values it. Traditional unit credit uses the benefit already accrued on current pay. Normal cost is the value of one more year of accrual on the same factors. Algebra tricks. Final average uses the last few projected salaries, not current pay. Career average uses a running average and a unit credit that looks like TUC. Mid-year retirement uses half-year ages and mid-year discount. Early retirement applies a monthly reduction to the benefit, then values it. A partner overlay raises the annuity EPV. Positive lifetime correlation usually lowers a reversionary EPV. Do not mix PUC salary projection into a TUC request. Intuition. Replacement is a fraction of pay. Funding is a fight about future raises. PUC books them now. TUC waits. Drill order. 39, 41, 38, 47, 37, 46, 44, 42, 40, 45, 43, 48.